Hi, this is Zak Mir, editor of Spreadbet Magazine, with a look at the UK real estate sector. Slight twist to this, even though I'm starting off with British land, which is possibly the obvious contender. The reason that I'm looking at the stock right now is that we're just in the middle of we're about to receive a golden cross buy signal between the 50-day and 200-day moving averages, probably over the next couple of sessions. The 50-day line now at £5.83 will cross through the 200-day line, and obviously, as you can see over the last few weeks, it's been a great October for British land, but the shares haven't yet broken out of the 2013 range. So in a way, even though we've come up a long way over the last few weeks, there could still be some decent upside. A little bull flag in place at the moment. So if you're going long around the 629, 630 zone, you could have a stop loss as tight as an end of day close back below the 10-day moving average at £6.17, and then target the September 2012 price channel top towards 700 pence as a sort of probably end of year target would be a modest goal in terms of the time frame. So that's the sort of the normal charting play here. But I thought I'd also look at a couple of plays here, which are plays on UK real estate. It sort of goes along with the idea of in the gold rush, the people who make the most money are those who make the pickaxes and the shovels. And certainly in the case of Rightmove, which is the online estate agent, we've seen how well that saying has worked in this particular sector. Here, the shares have effectively doubled over the past year from the lows. There's a rising trend channel from December 2012. There was a golden cross buy signal around £17 in February, and in fact, if you bought on the basis of that signal, the shares never really went back from that level, and you'd be up by about nearly £10 a share. So it's a very, very impressive technical situation there. The price action bouncing off the 50-day moving average normally, which is also a very positive sign, and really we're looking for a target towards £30 by the end of the year. If the current momentum is maintained, this is quite likely given the latest bull flag we've got in place here. Looks like a mid-move consolidation for another move up by £1 to £2. Finishing off with Savills, which is the upmarket estate agent specializing in sort of the central London boom area that we have. Here, a much more messy price action in general, a much more noisy stock than, let's say, that at Rightmove. But we still have a rising trend channel from December last year. Upside still seen towards £7, perhaps a stop loss at the 50-day moving average around £6.19. But looking for further upside here, and obviously this is a gauge or a barometer of the sentiment and the health of prime London real estate. So still things are looking bullish, and in fact, if you think about it, the shares haven't broken to new highs here. So you're not buying, not necessarily buying too late. Your momentum trading or following the trend. So that's it for me. Three interesting plays there on the UK real estate area.